Viper, stop.
Gabe. It's every time he says it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't want to laugh either.
Are you gonna add this one into the wheezing videos? Cause you... Viper, stop.
I'm not gonna let you get the chance. Oh my god. Let's act up together. You guys think that I don't know, but I do know. I do a V&D know about these films.
Turning around, and that's the first thing I see. That is so good. I'm crying.
Seriously? I'm so sick of this fucking piece of shit.
Me. At me.
I got shot.
I have a hot off you.
Do you have this one?
Oh, I don't have that one.
Damn. What about... Do you have this one?
I don't have that one. I have this one, it's real similar.
I don't have that one, but I have one that's kind of, a little bit alike.
I like that one.
I got this stupid one instead.
Bro, we're talking about worst emotes ever happened. This one. This one's the best.
Okay, I love this one.
Someone tried selling me a Renegade Trader account. And I was like, nah bro, I'm gonna buy the account with this emotes.
Bro. It's like this one, kinda.
That one's trash. Look at this one. Okay, my emote is that, but times 100, like, can't compete.
How are you out here really saying this is better than this?
Yeah, just look at it. It's so much better.
Yeah, no, y'all got nothing on my... Fuck.
That one's okay, but do you have this one?
No, I don't have that one. But I just got this one yesterday.
Okay, guys, I leaked a new emote in the lobby. Don't on, but it's the best one they've ever made.
Oh no.
Viper, have you got this emote?
Viper, did you buy this when it came out?
What is wrong with you guys?
Kate will gift you this emote right now.
Please stop doing the default dance for once and for all. Oh my god, please stop.